Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Leslie. If you haven't met me before, I'm a wellness coach with Herbalife Nutrition, and actually using Herbalife Nutrition, I have lost 21 pounds, 4 inches around my waist and 3 inches around my tummy and my hips, and I've kept that weight off for over 33 years, which means over 33 Christmases and birthdays and all kinds of other celebrations. So what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to give you 3 super tips to help to get you through Christmas without having to worry about your weight. Okay, so before I go any further, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell, because I'm here to give you tips and ideas of how to stay healthy all year round, as well as Christmas time. So as I said, 3 tips to help you to get through this Christmas. Well, the first thing that I would say is probably now you are out shopping and planning and deciding what kind of food that you're going to be serving up for Christmas. Well, when you go shopping or when you're online filling your basket with all the goodies for Christmas, just think about this particular aspect of what you're doing. First of all, how colourful is your shopping basket? How many colourful vegetables can you get onto your plate? And I'm not talking about colourful sweets, I'm talking about colourful vegetables. So for example, have you got your sprouts and your carrots and your avocado and your asparagus and your spinach and your tomatoes and your red peppers and your cranberries? All the different colors, especially the reds and the greens right now at Christmas time, will look really, really festive on your table. And what I love to do is things like mix together peas and carrots, sprouts and pomegranates. Put them on your plate so that they look really luscious, reds and greens and oranges, and that will make your Christmas look really good, but it will also add some extra healthy vitamins onto your plate. So talking about the healthy vitamins on your plate, make sure that your plate is, or your bowls or your dishes that you're serving up, are as colourful as possible, but also as fresh as possible. So try not to rely too much on tinned vegetables or things that have been sat around for quite a long time. Just try and make sure that your vegetables are either frozen or fresh. And I know it's not that easy to do when you've got a holiday period ahead, but you can do it if you try. You can buy lovely packets of spinach and kale and rocket and things like that, and put them in the fridge. Keep them nice and fresh. Don't squash them too much. Look for sell-by dates that are past the 25th, and you'll be able to make sure that you're getting regular, healthy, colourful vegetables throughout the Christmas week. The other thing, number 2 tip that I would give to you after colourful vegetables, is look at your protein level, because all too easily you can put carbs into your shopping basket. And so forget about the carbs, they'll happen anyway, but look at how much protein you can get. If you don't know what protein is, you can easily Google protein, but it's anything like meats, nuts, beans, fish, did I say nuts? Cheese, eggs, those kind of dairy products. They are all protein. So get as much protein as you can going on. Obviously the turkey will be protein, and serve yourself as much of that and as much of your healthy green vegetables as well to go along with it. And you can still have a roast potato or 2. You can still have some stuffing. Those things are just going to be the trimmings on the side rather than the actual bulk of the dinner. So number 1, colourful vegetables. Number 2, lots of protein. And number 3, keep yourself hydrated. Keep drinking as much water as you can. So you may want a glass of bubbly, you may fancy a glass of wine, you may even like your G&T, but make sure that in between each of those you hydrate yourself. Now, it doesn't have to be boring. Give yourself some nice sparkling water, put some nice ice in there, and give yourself a Christmas present of a collagen skin booster. Now, that is an absolutely delicious drink to have, and it's also great for your skin, because drinking that for 4 weeks, you will find that fine lines and wrinkles will start to disappear. And then after 90 days, that gets rid of cellulite too. So give yourself a nice Christmas treat and get hold of a Herbalife Nutrition Skin Booster, it's called. Collagen Skin Booster. If you haven't already got a Herbalife coach, get in touch with me. My details are below. But that's our newest, greatest product. And that could be something that you could be sipping on right through Christmas, just to give yourself this extra special Christmassy gift. So hydration is also really important, and so is protein and vegetables, colorful vegetables. Now, what I would say actually for the run up to Christmas as well, great piece of advice here, is to make sure that you're taking your Herbalife Nutrition products every single day, right up to Christmas and including Christmas Day, and right into the new year as well. Why not? So start the day with a lovely, nutritious Herbalife shake. We're looking at all these beautiful recipes going on in our group right now. So if you're not a member of the group, get in touch with me and I can add you to that group. Our 12 Days of Fitness is coming up with some beautiful shake recipe ideas, as well as some lovely treats for Christmas as well. And not boring treats, lovely treats like gingerbread men and mince pies, and lots more goodies to come actually. We've only just started. So keep a lookout for those recipes too. They'll be in there to help and support you through Christmas with all the good, healthy goodies. So the thing is, if you start your day right with a Herbalife shake, you will find that your cravings will be much less. If you're drinking your Herbalife tea and your collagen skin booster, you will find that you have energy, vitality, you won't be feeling all tired and sluggish. You'll be able to enjoy everything about Christmas, but also you'll be preparing your body for not having to suffer the onslaught of all those horrible calories, those, dreadfully greasy, sweet, and gooey things that your body doesn't need at all. So have a bit of everything, but not in excessive quantities. And by having yourself a Herbalife shake and a Herbalife tea in the morning, you will ensure that your body actually doesn't want as much. And you're not suffering, you're treating yourself to a really good, healthy, and nutritious Christmas. And you will thank yourself when you come out of Christmas at the other end and realize you haven't put on a pound. Just like me, for 33 years, I've been through the fun of Christmas, the joy of Christmas, but I haven't put on any weight over Christmas. And so that's what I want to share with you, so that you can have a wonderful Christmas too. So I hope that's helped. If you haven't got a Herbalife Nutrition coach already, get in touch. If you do have one, well, get in touch with them. And that will be really, really the best way to fortify and ensure that your Christmas is healthy and great, and you have the best, happiest Christmas. So if those tips were helpful to you, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, and have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you again soon on the other side. Okay, bye for now.